Hi, welcome to this video where we are revising and revisiting expanding double brackets. So this is aimed at the foundation tier and the higher tier. Okay, so we are looking at grade 4-5 for GCSE maths, and it's appropriate for AQA, edXL and OCR. Okay, and it's perfect revision, okay, for expanding double brackets for algebra. Okay, all these questions are worth 2 marks in the exam. Okay, if you're expanding double brackets, it's worth 2 marks, and I'll explain how the marks are given, okay, when I go through each question. Okay, as ever, feel free to obviously pause the video, try the question yourself first, and then press play, please, guys. Okay, so expanding brackets. Now, this is doing it via the grid method. So they've put it as like a grid, okay, x plus 2 times x plus 3. So do x times x, which is x squared, okay, x times positive 3, which is going to be positive 3x, 2 times x, which is going to be 2x, and then 2 times positive 3, which is plus 6. Okay, so 1 mark is awarded for this column. The second mark is awarded for collecting your like terms. So collecting like terms, I get x squared plus the 5x plus 6. Okay, and I can't simplify that any further, okay? And it can be written in different conventions. So again, examiners will accept 6 plus 5x plus x squared, or 6 plus x squared plus 5x, okay? Or x squared plus 6 plus 5x, okay? These are all the same conventions of writing it like that, okay? But generally speaking, just to avoid like confusion, write it as x squared plus something x plus a number, okay? If it's a double bracket. Okay, next one, it's x plus 7 times x plus 4. So it's told us here, we're going to have x squared plus 7x plus 4x plus 28, okay? So hopefully it's making sense so far, okay? So it's just rewriting that, but we're just adding all these terms together, okay? Plus 28, okay? Sorry about the lag, guys, like, I do apologise, okay, but hopefully you can still follow me through, okay? So simplifying this, I'm going to have x squared plus 11x, okay, 7x plus 4x combines to give me 11x, okay, plus 28. Okay, so this is like another way of doing or thinking about how to expand double brackets. Okay, so this one's showing you via the grid method, but you can still do it like the old-fashioned way of timesing each term by the corresponding term in the other bracket. Okay, either method is fine. Next one, x plus 6 times x plus 2. X times x is x squared. X times 6 is 6x. 2 times x is 2x, and then plus 2 times positive 6 is positive 12, okay? Again, it's going to be x squared plus 6x plus the 2x, okay, plus the 12, guys. Okay. And simplifying this, I'm going to have x squared plus 8x plus 12. Okay. Okay, next question. Expanding this bracket, x plus 5 times x minus 3. X times x is x squared. Okay. X times 5 is 5x, okay, and then I can just write it out now because the rest have been filled out. I get x squared plus 5x minus 3x, okay, so keeping the signs consistent, okay, minus 15. Okay, and then now being careful when we collect our like terms. 5x take away 3x is positive 2x, okay? So it becomes x squared plus 2x minus 15. Okay. Okay, next question, x minus 4 times x plus 9. I'm going to have x squared there. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Okay, remember that a positive times a negative gives me a negative as a sign. 9 times x is 9x. Okay, and then positive 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. Okay, because a positive times a negative is a negative. Okay, writing this out, I get x squared plus 9x minus 4x minus 36, which simplifies to x squared plus 5x minus 36. Okay. Here it's going to be x squared, okay, minus 4x plus the 9x, okay, minus 36. Okay, collecting your like terms, minus 4x plus 9x is positive 5x, okay. Next question, guys, expanding this double bracket, x times x is x squared. X times positive 1 is just positive 1x or just plus x. Okay, I'm going to have minus 3x there. Okay, and then I'm going to have negative 3. Okay, in my fourth quadrant. So therefore I'm going to have x squared, guys, plus x, subtract the 3x, subtract 3. Okay, so therefore I'm going to have x squared, okay, subtract 2x, subtract 3. Okay, because plus x minus 3x is minus 2x. Okay, imagine it is plus 1x, okay, if we're not sure. 1x take away 3x is negative 2x, okay. Next question, guys. So expanding some more double brackets. Okay, we're going to have x squared here. X times x is always x squared. Okay, x times negative 5 is negative 5x. X times positive 2 is positive 2x. And 2x times negative 5 is negative 10. Okay, so expanded form is x squared. Okay, take away the 5x. Okay, plus the 2x, subtract 10. Collecting your like terms, I get x squared, take away 3x, take away 10. Okay? Right, guys, so here all I'm going to do is just put an x squared there. Okay? So here I'm going to have x squared, subtract 4x, subtract 6x plus 24. Okay, because it's given to us there. So we don't have to spend time working it out if it's been partially filled out. Okay, so always be aware, guys, yeah, and make use of your time. If it's given to you, then there's no need to obviously work it out. Okay, unless you are checking your answer. If you're checking your answer, that's also fine. But it's given to us there. Okay, 4x, sorry, yeah, minus 4x minus 6x is minus 10x. So it's x squared, take away 10x, positive 24. Okay, plus 24. Okay. Next question, x times x is x squared, x times negative 1 is negative 1x, or just negative x, okay, minus 7x, and then minus 7 times negative 1 is plus 7. Okay, we're going to have x squared minus 1x, or minus x, minus the 7x, plus 7. Okay, simplifying this, we're going to have x squared, okay, take away 8x plus 7, okay. Okay, right guys, this one, expanding it, I'm going to get x squared, okay, negative 5x, okay, positive times a negative is a negative, okay, minus 8 times x is minus 8x, or negative 8x, you could say, and negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40, okay, a negative times a negative, or a negative divided by a negative, gives you a positive as a sign. Okay, when you simplify this, okay, you're going to get x squared, take away 13x, plus 40, okay. That question. Okay, you get x squared, take away the 5x, take away the 8x, plus 40, negative 5x, subtract 8x, okay, is negative 13x, sorry. Okay, so these two combine to give me negative 13x, okay. And then I'm going to have the x squared, and then I'm going to have the plus 40. Okay. Right guys, so this time it's given us the expanded version. Right, we can simplify it first and then work backwards. Okay, we're going to have x squared plus 11x plus 30. Okay. So, x is going to go here, 5 is going to go here, x is going to go here, and 6 is going to go here. So we are expanding x plus 5 times x plus 6, okay? And if we start to fill out this table, we are going to get the bit that's in the expanded column, expanded form column, okay? X times x is x squared, okay? Positive 6x plus the 5x plus 30, okay, oops, let's just delete that, okay, plus 30, okay, so it should be a 30 there, guys, I do apologise, let's just rewrite that, okay, so positive 30, okay, and that is completed, okay? So essentially, this is like expanded brackets, okay? And then essentially, you are essentially factorizing it, okay? But obviously, it's given to you like the terms there, which made it a bit easier. Okay, this one's slightly more trickier. We're going to put an x here. We're going to put an x here. We're going to put a positive 7 and a negative 3, okay? We're going to get x squared there. Okay, follow me carefully, guys. 7 times x is 7x. Okay, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Okay, and negative 3 times positive 7. So that should be a 7, guys. Sorry if it's not very clear. Is negative 21. Okay. Simplifying it, we're going to get x squared plus 4x plus 20 minus 21. Okay, because positive 7x take away 3x is positive 4x. Okay, plus there. Writing this in our brackets is x plus 7 times x minus 3. Okay, as our double brackets. Right, the last one, guys. Now, this one's slightly more trickier because it's just giving us the simplified expanded version. So we are essentially going to be factorizing this. Now, we're going to start off by saying, okay, I want two numbers to add to give me positive 11 and times to give me positive 24. Now, we should know, okay, and I appreciate, like, yeah, I might be like jumping some steps here, but I'll explain it as we go along. So, the double bracket is going to be x plus 3 and x plus 8, and the reason for that is because when I expand this bracket I get x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 24. 8x plus 3x simplifies to 11x, okay, so that does confirm my answer, okay? So you can check by expanding. Now, that's obviously not immediately obvious if you're thinking, well, how on earth did I get to that? But that is revising, factorizing quadratics, okay, into double brackets, okay? So it's requiring your knowledge here of, like, factorizing, okay, quadratics and writing them into brackets. But essentially, we've got here x squared... Oops, not x cubed, sorry, x squared. Okay, we've got an x squared there, plus 3x, plus 8x, plus 24. Okay, and you can check that, okay, so I've split 11x into 3x and 8x. Some of you may be thinking, well, why can't I write it as 7x and 4x? It has to multiply to give me positive 24. So essentially we are looking at factors of 24, okay? So that's why it can't be 7x and 4x, because if I multiply 7 and 4, I get 28 and not 24. So that's why it has to be, okay, 3x and 8x for this one, because it's factors of 24. It can't be 12 and 2, because although they multiplied to give me 24, they add to give me 13x, okay, if that makes sense. Okay, and it can't be 6 and 4, because then it gives me a plus 10x, okay. So it has to be 3x and 8x, okay. So x squared goes there, 8x goes there, 3x goes there. Okay, it should be a 3 there. And then positive 24. Okay. And then that's how we expand double brackets, okay? So this is fantastic revision for expanding double brackets, okay? Right, guys, that is the end of today's video, so thank you so much for watching. If you did find this useful, please do hit that like button, okay? Press that subscribe button, okay? And click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads, okay? But that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching, take care, and there are more videos coming, revision videos, for the upcoming summer 2022 exams as we approach the exam season now, which is just a couple weeks away, okay, at the time of recording it and filming this video, okay. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.